Hyderabad is the only biryani. Everything else is a fake thing. Okay, the biryani that you get in Lucknow and Delhi and any other part of the country, they consider it not the right biryani.
When I speak about the city of Nizams, Hyderabad, the three things which comes to my mind is Charminar, Hyderabad Pearls and Hyderabad Kacha Gosh Ki Biryani. It fascinates me very much because of its story, how it has been evolved and introduced to the world. When Persians was invading India through Afghanistan, they have to feed their huge army with the food which is wholesome and which is easily preparable. So they have started making a casserole with rice and meat, which is then converted into biryani. From there it has moved into the royal kitchens of Nizam and other kings who ruled India.
खासियत जो हैदराबादी बिरयानी को और बिरयानी से अलग बनाती है वो है इसके बनाने के तरीके में। हैदराबादी कच्चे गोश्त की बिरयानी खाने में जितना स्वादिष्ट है बनाने में उतनी ही मुश्किल, क्योंकि बहुत ही कम शेफ हैं जो इसको सही तरीके से पका सकते हैं।
The cuisine of Hyderabad is very different from other cuisines. The cuisine is very rich with the usage of nuts, spices and the amount of dairy fat they use in it. This Hyderabadi Kacha Gosh Biryani is a treat of royal kitchens of Nizam. The peculiar type of making this Hyderabadi biryani is layering the meat which is raw, just marinated, and with the layer of rice which is half done and then cooked on dum cook, which is sealing of all its flavors through a lid and using a dough, making it airtight. The Nizams was very fond of their food, so they asked their chefs to make food which is flavorful, nutritious and rich in content. So once you make the biryani and you open the seal, it gives a very nice fragrance of all the spices.
उमन सारे बिरयानी का अपना अलग ही जायका होता है, मगर हैदराबादी बिरयानी बनाने का जो तरीका है वो बहुत ही अलग और ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें कच्चे गोश्त पे ही सारे मसाले डालकर राइस दम दिया जाता है, जिससे बिरयानी के गोश्त में हर मसाले का फ्लेवर मिलता है। इसलिए हैदराबादी कच्चे गोश्त की बिरयानी को लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं और इसके साथ मिर्ची का सालन इसके स्वाद को और भी ज़्यादा स्वादिष्ट बनाता है।
Delicacy of Nizam's kitchen, Kacha Gosh Biryani, can be enjoyed at any time of the day, from lunch, dinner to midnight. The city of Hyderabad has two valuable things offered to this world. One, Golconda's Kohinoor Diamond, other one, Nizamun Kishan, Hyderabadian ke khas, Hyderabadi Kacha Gosh Biryani. When there is a combination of expertise chefs, timeliness of cooking and quality ingredients, you will enjoy the biryani till its last bite. At Park Hyderabad, we are eagerly waiting to happily serve you this delicacy which is authentically made especially for you.